Hi everybody, it's me Aidan, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Psych!
Huh?
Welcome back to my workshop, my little chefs. Today we're going to be painting Nerf guns and opening it up to see the physics of how it works.
Oh my god!
It's unboxing time. Time for ASMR. Guys, look! Look at all the bullets. It comes with 12 bullets. We're going to be using the Nerf N-Series Agility. You got this, Aidan! ASMR! Ah! And here's the beauty itself. What is a Nerf gun? A Nerf gun is a fun toy that kids play with, like this, that when you're able to fire darts. Like this. Today we're going to be painting a Nerf gun. This beautiful N-Series Agility Nerf gun. But first, we're going to unscrew it and I'm going to show you how Nerf guns work.